Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Unit 2 Electronic Spreadsheet Advanced of Class 10th Subject Information Technology. So you can see here there are 4 sessions of this chapter. So let me start. Session 1, Consolidating Data. What is consolidated data means? It means to collect the data from various places and to place at one place. For example, if we collect the data from sheet 1 and sheet 2 and put it together in sheet 3. So let me start a practical. Like I prepared a demo sheet for you, the name of the students and their July pocket money. In sheet 2, same students and June pocket money. Now I want to collect at one place, entire data at one place. Fine, I want in the sheet which is by the name result. So I want the result here. So what I'll do, I'll click on data. Now this thing you have to remember that under which menu you are finding the consolidate, because this is a very important question for the board exams, that where do you find your consolidate option, under which menu. So it can be asked in the MCQ also. So let me click on data, consolidate. I'll delete this because I've already added the sources. I'll show you how to add the source. So source data range, that means from where you want to pick your data. So I'll click here, click on sheet 1, select the data, click here, click on add. So this range has been added. I'll again click here, click on sheet 2, select the data, click here, again add. So these two sources have been added. That means I want to collect the data from these two sources. Now where do you want the result? That you have to select here, copy result to. So I'll go to result sheet and select a cell, say C3 or C4. I'll click here and then more. So you can see the row labels and the column labels. That means the row heading and the column heading both are collected, both are selected. And the link to data source, it means that if you make any change in the source, it automatically reflects in the result. So you are linking the data. Then if I click on OK and see, the magic is here that your data has come. I'll just increase the size for better visibility and border. So now we'll again go to the data to see the second option, which is the very magical thing. I love that option. Consolidate, already added, sources already added. Now I want the result. I'll change this one. I want the result here, that is C22, and click on more. I'll just need the row labels, or I'll just need the column labels, and click on OK and see. This is what the important thing and the important feature. It add the respective value. It add the respective value. So that means, so you can see here, Amit, July pocket money 1000, June pocket money 1000, total is 2000. Correct. Sumit 230 and 1200 gives you 1430. Anuj 900 and 1100 gives you 2000. So you can verify also the data is correct. So that means this is what the magic of this consolidate, that the data was on different sheet and it automatically add up. And the main and the best feature of this consolidated is what, that we are going to tell you now. I mean, this is a very important part. What is that? That is, if you make any change, like let me see, if you make any change, for example, in sheet 1, July pocket money will changes to say 800. Press enter. Let me move to the result. What happens there? And you can see it's 800 for July and the total is reduced to 1800. And the next part is, if you in sheet 1, if we change the sequence, like here it's Amit, Sumit, Here is also the same part, but let me change to make it Sumit, to make it Amit. Fine. And then let me see that there is no result. If it is like that and say the result is not there, I'll delete this and I'll go to data consolidate. If the sequence is mismatched but still you can see it add up according to the match, and this is what the beauty of this function. In the first sheet, Amit was at the first position. In the second sheet, Amit was the second position, but in the result you get the total of Amit, and you can verify that first July pocket money 800 and June pocket money 1200 and total is 2000. See, this is what the beauty of this consolidate part. And in the book also this thing is mentioned. I'll show you that because I marked the important content like highlighted with the yellow color. See, the text in the labels must be identical so that the rows or column can be accurately matched. If the rows or column label does not match, then it will simply add one more column. So that means you have to understand this practically. You have to practice this. Then only you will be able to understand. So thank you so much. I hope that it is clear to you. You can do practice and you can subscribe the channel if you have not done so that you can get the next session automatically in your window. Thank you.